Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start with the secret code and then I'll show you how to check it also through the settings. So let's tap on the dialer and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and then let me show you another way. Let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And right here we have to try to find the serial number. I believe it should be in the status maybe. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.